Très de Lanlore. Closely related to Vimet, Nirmet and Siamet, sire Vancouver de Lanlore competed in the World Equestrian Games and the European Championships with Piers Schweitzer and Penelope Leprevost. He is linked to the strong performance dam line of breeder Popke van Eyck. Très de Lanlore is related to a series of international successful show jumpers. His dam Irmet E is a half-sister to the 160-level horse Vimet of Michel Hendricks and the 150-level performers Zamet of Urs Fee and Fremet E of Thiago Ribas da Costa. Grand Dam Rimet is a half-sister of Markus Fuchs's 160-level performer Nirmet, as well as the 150-level horse Siamet, ridden by Tim Gratley.